Hello guys, review shock resist smartphone Sigma Mobile X-treme PQ54 54 Max in the black color. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have documentary, USB Type-C cable, headphones and adapter for charging. Okay, and now talk about device. Shock resist body. Okay, this plastic. On the back side, single camera, 16 megapixels, fingerprint scanner and LED. On the front side, 5.7-inch display, front camera, talk speaker. On this side, smart key. On right side, power key and volume keys. Okay, and this we have headphones jack. And on the downside we have USB Type-C port. Okay. And slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory slot. Okay, display IPS, HD plus resolution, Android 10, open Geekbench 5, talk about system information, MediaTek Helio P22 or MT6762, this octa-core processor, 4+4 cores, 1.5 and 2 GHz CPU speed, Power VRGA 8320, this GPU, resolution and display PPA we have. Okay, look results, CPU test results, and now open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score. Close this and open GTA San Andreas, the money game. Look how GTA San Andreas works on the device. Max graphic level. Game works good, without lags and glitches. Good gameplay. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.